complaints
Sabi
din.
niya,
Oh.
I'm here to face the challenge. Meaning, ang ibig niya sabihin, pwede naman siyang hindi magpunta. Parang yun ang ibig niya sabihin. Para pinakita niya, sino nandito ako? Nakita niyo naman. Tinanggap ko ang hamon. Ang sagot ko naman sa kanya, wala ka naman choice. Dahil kung hindi ka pumunta ron, ay baka na-aresto ka na kaagad. The problem with this guy is like he pompously claims to be unafraid of the criminal charges against him. And yet his body language, his rantings against the president show the opposite. He is in mortal fear of going back to jail. Yan ang katotohanan dyan. Gano'n na lang siya. Just consult with his lawyers and prepare his defense. You must remember that the charges have been filed in court because the court found probable cause. Yan ang importante dyan. Hindi pa pwede yung palagi niya sabihin, itong dinimanda ng administrasyon, hindi naman administrasyon nagdemanda sa kanya sa Davao. It's the former Vice Mayor Pulong Duterte and Attorney Mans Carpio. And ang base nila doon, yung mga libelous remarks niya, not this administration. Nothing to do with it.